Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I got another unboxing video for you, and I got Latest in Beauty, and this is a huge box. It is really big. So if you're new to Latest in Beauty, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what items I've chosen for this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below, so you're free to flick forward. So Latest in Beauty is a UK monthly subscription box, but with a little bit of a difference because you get to choose the items that go inside. Every month you get to choose between a 3-product box, which will cost you £9, a 6-product box, which is what I've got, which will cost you £15, or a 9-product box that'll cost you £18, and that includes shipping as well. At the start of every month they come out with an edit, so you're able to see in one of their blogs on their websites all the products that are going to be featured throughout the month. They release products daily all throughout the month, so if you've got your eye on something in particular, you have got from the time money has been taken out of your bank till the end of the month to choose. If you don't choose any items, then they will just send you a random mix of products. If you opt for a monthly subscription, you can cancel any time, plus they offer, I think it's a 6 and a 12-month subscription as well. There's always deals going on, so if I can find a deal for like your first box for half price or something like that, then I'll pop it down in description. So underneath this video, see show more, you click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be listed down there. They do a ton of limited edition boxes as well. They call collection boxes. They collaborate with like Grazia or Sunday Times, and they bring out these boxes full of like beauty favourites. I've unboxed a few on this channel, so if you're interested to take a look at the more recent ones, I'll pop them down below. But yeah, they do come out with quite a few, and if you're after a particular box that has everything, then it's definitely worth checking them out. Say if you sign up now for a 3-product box, which will cost you £9, you choose your items, but then when January comes, because you get to see the edit right at the start of the month, you think, there's quite a few items in there I fancy more than 3 this month. You have got the chance to up your subscription to a 6-product or a 9-product, and then your money will come out when it's due. Then you're able to go back down again, so it's quite flexible. You can stay as you are, or you can go up or down, if that makes sense. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Anything I've missed out, I'll pop down below. But yeah, let's get on to unboxing it. And this is the Desk to Disco edition. So I'll give you a quick look into showing you what I chose. So in every December box we'll get a box of chocolates, and this is Lindor by Lindt. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love these, so I'll have them later on. I forgot to say as well that this box is actually gifted to me. I'm on Latest in Beauty's PR list, so I'm really grateful and thankful to Latest in Beauty for sending me their boxes. But yeah, as always, all my thoughts and opinions remain my own, and also I choose the items myself, so I know exactly what I'm going to be getting. If you've been watching my Latest in Beauty videos over the last couple of months, then this item will be no surprise to you. It's a biodegradable wipes. These are by Mum and You, and they're as gentle as cotton, wool and water, suitable for newborns, and there's 56 in there. This is the 3rd packet, I think, and they're still on the website, which is brilliant. So some of the products that are on the edit, they do disappear, but some of them they do keep on and on, obviously, because this is my 3rd packet. I just think they're brilliant, really good, and yeah, they're really nice to use. They're nice and soft. I use them for getting rid of swatches off my hands, in all honesty, tidying up in here, so they're a handy thing to have. So yeah, so that's the first item I chose. Next I chose a lipstick, and this is by Lip Jewel, and it's a lipstick in stain, and it says hot for chocolate. So it looks like there. Never heard of this brand before, so never tried any of the products before, but I think in the edit there was 2 different shades to choose from. One looked really dark, so I went for this one, and wow, can you see there? Oh, that is a dark one. I wonder if I've been sent the wrong one. There was a dark one on there, which I'm not that keen on dark lipsticks, and there was a lighter one, like a reddish one. That is way too dark for me, unfortunately. Because I got small lips, if I had nice big thick juicy lips, then I'd wear every shade going, but I haven't, and I find that dark lipstick can age me, and particularly this tone as well, just makes my lips look a little bit yellow. Lips, not my lips, my teeth. I haven't got the best teeth, but yeah, can you see there? That is quite dark, isn't it? I'm not going to swatch that because I'm actually going to give that away because there's no point. I know straight away it's too dark for me, but it's a gorgeous chocolatey brown. It is a lovely colour. I was shocked then. I was thinking, huh? Because look at the brush. Or the applicator. It's purple. You can see the lipstick on there. There. Okay, I'll swatch a little bit on my hand there. That's not a bad colour, in all honesty. That is not a bad colour. That's the liquid part. It's more of a corally brown, isn't it? Yeah, no, it is too dark. It is too dark. It is too dark for me. It is lovely, but too dark. So that's the second item I chose, although I'm sure I chose a red one. I'll have to have a look online to see what I did. But yeah, so there's that. So next I chose a mask. I didn't read very well. I thought they were eye masks, illuminating eye masks, but it's not. It's a sheet mask, but it sounds absolutely gorgeous. It's a 5-minute sheet mask and it's got grapefruit seed in it, and it's by Patchology. See there? Dull is a 4-letter word. Brighten up and put your freshest face forward. Illuminate flash mask 5-minute facial sheets. Give new life and luster to your complexion. So you radiate health. You look luminous in less time. So there's that. Next is a product I chose that I've got a few now. A few. And I keep getting them. I just love it so much. It's NARS and it's a Laguna bronzer. I've got loads. I got loads. I must have about 5. They last a couple of months for me. I wear bronzer every single day. I'd say it lasts for a good, say, 3-4 months maybe. This size, just thinking of what I've used before. So it's only a teeny tiny one. You've got a little mirror there, and I can't even get that thing out. I'm going to have to be careful or else I'll damage the bronzer. But you can see there, it's only a teeny tiny one. But this size is super handy for taking away if you're going away for the weekend or a night or something. Just downsizing your makeup is lovely. So I've got a few of these bronzers, but I've also got a blush as well, this size by NARS. So yeah, so I got another one. So there's that. Next, I think I got these as one item. I'm sure it's one item because I got one item in the box. So that might be a freebie item and these might be single. I don't know. I can't remember. But I've had these before in one of the collection boxes and they are really lovely. I'm not that keen on rose smelling products, but I do like to give them a go, see if it works, and these are lovely. They are so nice. They're both Beauty and Planet, and I got a shampoo, a conditioner, and we've got big sizes here. We've got 400 mils each. Just show you there. Made from 100% recyclable materials, biodegradable formula, ethically sourced, natural muru butter, coconut oil, safe for coloured hair, no silicones, no parabens, no colorants, nothing, completely natural. So yeah, I do really like it. It's just got a subtle rose smell, but that's fine, that is completely fine, but it makes my hair feel really nice and soft, and you can tell it's a good shampoo and a conditioner by just when your hair is wet, when you're in the shower and you're washing your hair, that's when I can tell if it's going to be good or not, particularly the conditioner, because it just feels, it's just going through my hair really nicely, and I know it's going to like condition it really nice. But yeah, so I've got some more. And then the last item in the box is a Tatis Dry Shampoo, and we've got original here and it's 50 mils. I think I did choose this. I must have done. I don't think it's an added freebie. I know that everyone's getting a box of chocolates, but yeah, I think having those shampoo and conditioner as a one option, I just thought that's too good to be true because they're huge. But no, I'm sure I chose this. Dry shampoo is handy. It is handy. Me and my daughter both use it. I've got it in my hair now. It's the only thing that gives my hair a little bit of volume, and it's the original Tatis. So yeah, handy size as well. Nice travel size. So those are all the items that I chose to go in this month's box. It seems to be a repeat of some favourites. So I've got the shampoos which I've had before, I've got the conditioner which I've had before, the Laguna bronzer I've had before, the biodegradable wipes I've had before. I think the only things I haven't had, I think I've probably had the dry shampoo before, in all honesty. I haven't had that lipstick before, the sheet mask that I thought was iPads. Haven't had those before either. All in all, I'm really happy. This box would have cost me £15 if I was to have bought it myself, but thanks to Latest Beauty they send me a code, so I'm able to choose the items myself. So no, I'm really happy with it. As well as all those, we get some little leaflets in the box as well. So we got a £50 off Virgin Wines voucher. We got 20% off Blow Limited. I've never heard of that before, but that's what we got there. So there's that. We got a £5 off voucher for Ellie. Oh, and I haven't heard of that either. It looks like you've got some gorgeous decorations there. And finally, we get a £5 off code so that you can use against the collection boxes, the limited edition boxes. So they've given me this code here. It says for December and January. I'm going to pop it down in the description. So if you're interested in having a look at any of the collection boxes yourself, give this code a go. I'm not sure if it'll work, whether it's just one use work or nothing. It doesn't say much there, but if a few of you can use it, if you're interested, then you're welcome to. So I'll pop that down in the description. So yeah, so I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's edit? Have you subscribed to Latest in Beauty? What products have you chosen? Are they completely different to mine? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.